Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel WP with ishtiaq. In this video we are going to tell you how can you send a buyer request in Fiverr. First of all, you have to go to your Fiverr dashboard and you will see on right side a option more. Click on more and in this option you have to click buyer requests. When you click on buyer request, you will see what are active requests and you have sent offers to them. And in this case there are two requests and I want to send offer to this second request. Click on send offer, read his project completely, and for this project select your gig from this list of your gigs. I want to select this gig and now I have to describe my offer. These can maximum 1500 characters and select your budget for this project and select delivery time for this project and go back, go down and select gig requirements. Define the offer scope. In this case, different types of gigs give different options. This is a gig that is creating WordPress website, and according to your gig type there are different options will be show, and you have to select or unselect these option, and after that you have to select submit offer and your offer will be submitted to buyer. This is all you have done. Thank you.